We stayed at one of London's most talked about hotels, Middle 8 in Covent Garden. It looks incredible online. Is it really worth over £350 a night? We first stayed here to celebrate my birthday, and it honestly felt like stepping into a completely different side of London. Sleek, calm, and just a little bit magical. For one night in a superior street room with breakfast, we paid around £460. That's nearly double the London average. So yeah, it's definitely a splurge. This is a 5-star hotel right in the heart of Covent Garden. The location is so hard to beat. Just a few minutes walk from the West End. We even walked from the train station. Took around about 25 minutes, though you can easily hop on a tube to Holborn. Now the entrance itself sets the tone right away. Grand but welcoming. Our superior street room was modern, sleek, and beautifully lit. There's this huge window, and directly across that is a giant mirror. It's designed specifically to make you forget that you're in central London, where rooms are usually the size of a shoebox, and there is very little to no outside noise. The bed is ridiculously comfortable, and I am so picky about hotel beds. I usually hate them, but this one was perfect. The bathroom has a double shower with both rainfall and handheld marble tiles, and the toiletries actually smell incredible. Everything's really well thought out. There's an espresso machine, proper tea selection, and even little biscuits. Not only that, but the minibar is free. There's a little work desk and a comfy sofa. Honestly, the whole room just works. Before heading out, we grabbed a couple of Prosecco's at the bar and then came back later that night for some incredible cocktails. I definitely liked the whiskey ones. The vibe is chill but classy. You can dress up or just unwind, and the staff were spot on. Now this last trip I was gutted. The bar at the top of Harrods had closed down, and that was where I had the best whiskey cocktail. Now breakfast, this was definitely a highlight. Middle 8 does something different. Most hotels is buffet style. It's lukewarm scrambled eggs, sad bacon. Not here. Everything is cooked to order, table service. Got to be one of the best hotel breakfasts I have ever had. Now if you obviously want pastries, they have got them as well. You just help yourself. And what I really do like about this hotel is that they even have takeaway boxes. So Middle 8 has become one of those rare hotels that we actually look forward to coming back to. It's stylish without being stuffy, warm without being overbearing, and that balance is so hard to find. So if you're planning a romantic getaway, a couple's weekend, family trip, or you just want to treat yourself, then this might be your perfect base.